Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health on your DELL Precision 5520 laptop. First, open the Start menu and search for CMD. When you see this command prompt application, select to run it as administrator, click Yes, and in this field input power CFG spacebar / battery report, and when you're ready press enter. Right here you'll see the path to which the file was saved, the file with battery report. So select this path and then right click on it to copy. Now we can close the command prompt, open the file explorer, open the path field and paste the value that we copied right here. Then press enter. And here you'll see the battery report for your laptop. You can see all the information about your battery, like recent usage, battery usage, graphs and statistics. But the only thing that interests us is the design capacity, battery capacity compared to full charge capacity. Well, as you can see, design capacity, which is 97 watts per hour, is the original capacity of the battery, and the full charge capacity is the current battery capacity, which is 76 watts per hour. So as you can see, my battery is slightly worn out, and I may as well consider replacing it at this point. So that's basically how you check your battery health on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.